Did your therapist say they're out of network emotionally? Did your horoscope just say duck? Have you ever been ghosted by your own reflection? Has your Roomba joined a cult and started vacuuming in pentagrams? Welcome to Jackie's Kitchy Kitchen. If you're wondering why this month is so special,
Wrong again.
it's my birthday month. Cue the confetti. Cue all the balloons that I forgot to bring today. Today, we're going to be baking birthday cakes. And not just mine, but two of my friends who also have birthdays this month. My friend Lauren and my friend Dare. So we're going to make 3 cakes. As if I haven't learned my lesson from the last time. The last time I made this cake was actually for the initial episode of Jackie's Kitchy Kitchen, but I was very ambitious that day. I decided to make, I think, 3 or 4 cakes of different flavors. Now we just do 1 cake 3 times. It's fine. It's fine. I'm fine. Now, what kind of cake are we building today? Well, I decided to gift myself a birthday gift. I even wrapped it myself. I wonder what it could be. So, let's get started. So today we have flour, we have sugar, we have sour cream, heavy whipping cream, we have butter, we have eggs, we have baking powder, we have salt, and of course we have vanilla bean paste.
Dun dun dun.
Time to get mixing, mother truckers. We're gonna be using a ball smacking whisk. It's okay, I washed my hands. No, I won't even do that. No, we're gonna use an actual whisk, not a ball slapping one, you silly goose.
How loose is your goose?
All right, so we're going to mix our flour and our sugar together first. And then we're going to mix also our baking powder and our salt. That's how they scream in their universe. Then we just mix and mix and mix and mix and mix, just gentle mixing. Now it all looks like flour. How do we know there's sugar in it? Meow, meow, meow. Anything that's curvy, be sure to spank it to make sure all the ingredients come out of it.
Hit me.
Yeah!
So now that we've emptied out our bowl of wonders, we're going to scoop in our sour cream. Woo, ploppy. Just how I like my pudding. Doop, 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 doop. Mixing it on a hot dog real bad.
Ask me about my winner.
Now we're gonna add the butter to the sour cream. And if you're wondering, what makes sour cream so sour? Sour cream comes from goats who've eaten too many Sour Patch Kids. Now we're gonna add our heavy whipping cream. Oh.
So what are your interests?
I like being whipped.
Now if you're wondering why I'm not using like whipped cream,
Let me have some of that Cool Whip. What'd you say? You can't have a pie without Cool Whip.
and now we will have 3 uncooked chickens. Ah! And now the man of the hour, vanilla bean paste. Look at that. It's like a cappuccino in there.
What it is basically egg whites, creme fraiche, powdered sugar, vanilla, and a little touch of alum. There you go, dear. Oh, there you go. You've got your cream and your sugar now. It's a little cappuccino.
Now we're going to blend this mother trucker because we love blending. Ah, son of a bitch, that's really fast. Mix her up. So now that we got our wetness mixed up, time to make this bitch dry again.
It's not that hard.
What do you bring to the table? You're just another gold digger. I'm a high-valued alpha. They're gonna come for me in the comments! So if you're still here, let's mix this bitch. Get her nice and slow. Now we're gonna speed up a little bit. Woo! Oh, there we go. All right, now that we got her thoroughly mixed, we're gonna set her aside. we're gonna butter our pan. Yay! Sorry, sound guy. So now that butter's in the chat, we're going to slather on all this butter. Butter's so hot. There we go. Now it's time to wash my hands because no one can lay a finger on my Butterfinger.
Nobody better lay a finger on my Butterfinger.
So we have our oven set to 350, and now we're going to pour in our baby batter into our baby pans, and we're gonna bake some cakes. Yippee! All right, which of my 3 children I love the most? Batter up! Oh, it smells so good. All the vanilla bean, all the time. Hey, batter, batter, I'm gonna lick you. Hey, batter, batter, I'm gonna lick you. Hey, batter, batter, I'm gonna lick you. And now it's time to put these 3 little piggies into the oven.
Looks like fun.
There we go. 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna let them bake for about 35 to 45 minutes and just keep an eye on them. In the meantime, I got some batter to lick. So while we're letting the last couple cakes bake, we're gonna go ahead and get started on the cake decorating. So let's get frosting. First, we're gonna start with some blackberries. And I already have this pre-mixed with some dye in it. It's edible dye, but we're going to use the blackberries to give it some extra flavor. Blackberries, doo-dee-doo-doo. So now that I've prepped my blackberry filling, I'm gonna just put a tiny bit on these 2 plates here. It's just a little tiny bit. And now we're going to put up a cake in this beach. This one right there. And we shall do this one right here. Doo, 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 doo. And now to cut off the top, we're going to use a knife.
We gotta get out of here.
Which I'm legally allowed to use in 16 states. All right, get ready for the breasts.
Mazel tov.
Yeah, just tops. That's just getting the top part off. It's okay. Don't put your fingers in the way, because that's really bad. We're going to eat you later when no one's watching. Then we're going to do it to this one right here. It's going to be so good. If you're wondering why I took so much off, fuck you. It's my birthday.
It's my birthday.
I've been keto. Not today, mother truckers. It's my birthday. We're gonna put a little layer of filling on top. Just gonna spread her out. It's fine. And now we're going to put the top layer on. Just gonna squish you on. Normally, I would make my own buttercream icing, but because we don't want this episode to be 1,000,000 years long, I decided to buy a whole tub of it. So thank you, Cake Creations, for supplying the public with tubs and tubs of icing. My sanity thanks you.
Sanity is going to be in aisle 8. Aisle 8. I'm just kidding. That can't be bought. I've tried.
So now we're just gonna scoop some icing on. Just, jiggle, 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 jiggle. Clown around. Oh no, you're shifting. You know what that means? I should have put a stick through you so you wouldn't go anywhere. Fun disclaimer, I don't know shit about decorating cakes.
That's not what you told me.
At least the cake is yummy. So that being said, I'm gonna try my hardest. The things I put myself through. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna do a good job at this, so we're gonna just, here we go. Ooh, there's one. Yay! She's so little. Yay, she's so little. There we go. And then we're gonna repeat on Lauren's cake. I'm gonna do something that I keep seeing on like cake decorating channels and stuff. I'm gonna try and do the little whoop, whoop, like the little waves.
You just drop in and just smack the lip. Whoop-ah! Drop down, snap. Ah!
Every cake decorator is gonna be like, oh God, what is this girl doing? The other side's worse. Okay, look at her. She looks so good, right? With Lauren's, I'm just gonna do a bunch of stars because I know how to do that. Look at that. So starry. I could do that. All right, and that's how you decorate a cake. I want it to be prettier, but I'm just not good at that. So we give it personality instead.
It's my personality that has gotten us this far.
Now we're going to put some blackberries on top of our cake because we want it to look nice and pretty. It's also a nice distraction from my lack of skill. Very pretty. There we go. Now we're gonna do the same thing to Dare's cake. Scooch on in. There we go. Look at that. It's like Stonehenge, but with blackberries. So I went a little bit thin on my cake, just so I can have a little bit extra icing for decorating. Fun fact about buttercream icing, it was named after the Norse god Buttervist. And now to write a sentimental message to my friends who also have birthdays in July. Oh, my fingers. Ugh. And there we have it. We have 3 birthday cakes, all with sentimental messages for me and my lovely, lovely friends. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with all your friends and enemies. If you can't do it for yourself, do it for me. It's my birthday. See you later. I'm going to be eating healthy from now on. Oh, good. It's nature's fruit salad. Or just a regular salad because it's so healthy.